Ahoy there cruisers, welcome to the wonderful island of St Maarten, the next stop on our transatlantic adventure. Good morning from St Maarten, guys. Ooh, look at this. This is not where we usually park. Oh yeah, I know where we are now. So that's a little port entrance bit. I'm used to being on the other side, and then we've got this really ugly cargo area. It looks like we're just refueling down there as well, because we've got a long way to go after today. After today, it's our last port, and we've got 8 sea days, guys. 8 full sea days all the way to Southampton. So yeah, welcome to St Maarten, guys, one of my favourite islands in the Caribbean. Today we're going to do plenty of exploring. We're going to go hit a beach. We're definitely going to go to Maho Beach, which is the famous airport beach for Princess Juliana Airport here in St Maarten, where you can see the planes land super low over the beach. So we're going to hit there about midday, where we're going to see the bigger planes come in, and then yeah, we might do a little bit of shopping in the main centre in Philipsburg. But yeah, we're going to have a nice chill day here. Really looking forward to exploring our last port here on our cruise. But I can't believe we've still got a full-on 9 nights left. It's crazy. It's a super long one, which is good because we're not even halfway through yet. You're excited for St Maarten, David?
Yeah, I love St Maarten, my favourite Caribbean island.
Let's go get some breakfast.
Get some breakfast.
Are you excited, Oscar? Where are you? Hello, Oscar. Your hair looks cool. Who did your hair?
This is a good little hiding spot, isn't it? The Giovanni's table for breakfast. Got all the juices set up and everything. That's quite nice.
Nice and quiet, isn't it?
Nice and quiet. I bet a lot of people don't know about this.
There's a huge selection available for breakfast. You can get full American and English options, including pancakes, waffles, breads, pretty much everything you could want. We have to say we were super impressed with the selection available.
Hi guys, there's Indy P. We are here in St Maarten. It's one of our favourite Caribbean islands. Let's go! We hopped in a taxi and headed for Mullet Bay, a truly fabulous beach with clear, calm, turquoise water. So guys, how about this for paradise? We are at Mullet Bay Beach. It's about a 10-minute walk just from Maho Beach. That's why we've chosen it, because we want to go there around lunchtime to see some of the big planes come in. There's an Air France coming in from Paris. So it's an A340, which is a really big aircraft. So we're going to go watch that land on Maho Beach when it comes in. Oh my gosh, guys, the sea is just spectacular here. It's crystal clear, beautiful white sands. So we're going to stay here for a couple of hours and head over to the Sunset Beach Bar on Maho Beach.
Oh, it's cold. Nice, yeah, Mullet Bay Beach. There's not as many facilities as there was at the beach yesterday, but the sand and the water is absolutely gorgeous. It's freezing cold as well on my legs, which is really beautiful right now. I can't wait to have a dive in.
This beach was beautiful. Oh, how I wish we were back there again.
So we paid $15 for 2 sun lounges and for an umbrella. So $5 per sun lounger, $5 per umbrella. Absolute bargain. The taxi here was $9 per person, half price for the kids, and it took about 30 minutes with traffic, so absolute bargain. So guys, it's swim with Ben. Let's go. There's a little bit of a bank here. Oh, it's really chilly. Guys, this is absolute paradise. It's gorgeous. Look at the colour of this water, man. It's insane. It's beautiful turquoise, crystal blue. Having such an amazing time. It's such a shame this is our last port. Our next port is actually Southampton in the UK, which is absolutely crazy to think. So over 3,000 miles away, across the whole Atlantic over the next 8 days. Can't wait though, I love sea days, so I'm So excited to just be able to chill out and enjoy all the ship's facilities and the food and not have to get up early to go to ports and things. It's such a treat. Oh, what a gorgeous day.
This is beautiful. I was saying earlier, well, the facilities are not as nice. The beach is nicer than yesterday.
I think it's the nicest beach we've had yet, isn't it? Probably.
Yeah.
Mibs.
Yeah, and I love the fact you can see the aeroplanes coming right down, because just over
guys,
this bank here is the airport. You can actually see the airport terminal.
Oh yeah, you can see the tippy top of the terminal just down there, which is cool.
Closed up.
But yeah, you can see the planes come in, which is great. So we're going to have a little walk along there. That's why we chose this beach.
Yeah, so you can walk to our taxi driver. We've arranged to meet her at the airport.
Yeah guys, our taxi driver was amazing. She was so knowledgeable. She was telling us all about the history of the island and how it's split between the Dutch side and the French side. So the French side is literally just over here, and just behind me is the Dutch side. We're almost just on the border actually. And the main town in France is Marigot, and she was saying there's just a big mall, a bakery and a couple of shops, whilst in the main town Philipsburg on the Dutch side you've got much more shops and a better town. We've been there a few times. It's great, isn't it? It's really good.
A lot of people go to the French side for brunch or lunch though.
Yeah, I've heard about the pastries. Aren't they supposed to be like really good?
Really good.
Yeah, so that's definitely worth considering. But they do food on this beach as well. They're just barbecuing up some ribs at the moment. And there's a bar as well, so we're going to go grab some drinks and cocktails in a little while as well. So I'm excited about that.
Oh my god, these waves are so strong. It proper like pulls you into the ocean. I feel all dishevelled now. Is it a bit that was hysterical. Oh guys, I hope you saw that. Oh my god. Oh my god! I've got sand everywhere!
After all that swimming, we soon worked up an appetite for some of Rosie's famous ribs. So let's get some drinks.
I feel a bit shipwrecked.
Shipwrecked. It's a barbecue over there, guys, and here's the bar.
So what's on the menu is chicken, ribs, barbecue stuff, salad. Looks really good. It's not too bad actually. $14, $3 a beer, $2 for a Coke.
What do you think, David?
Oh, it's really nice. I thought it was going to be like, I don't know what I expected.
Cheers,
It's
guys.
like coconutty. Cheers.
He didn't like it, I don't think.
This ribs and rice was only $10.
Have a look.
$10
looks
$10 for
amazing.
both of them.
No, $10 for that one, $7 for this one.
Oh wow.
Which is
ribs.
what? That's about a $5.
Rice.
Oh, that
Can't go
looks
wrong.
good, guys, doesn't it? Look at the ribs.
Food, it's
And it's all
really
homemade as well.
All home barbecued.
yeah, really good value.
After some lounging, it was time to head for Maho Beach, the famous beach where planes fly right over your head by just a couple of feet above. Hold on to your hats, wigs, toupees, sunglasses, anything else that could blow away.
So guys, here we are on Maho Beach. The next plane's just about to come in. This is going to be interesting. What a blast! Get it? It was quite the experience. Such good fun, we highly recommend a visit. But careful with kids and yourself though, as those aircraft give quite a blast when taking off. Oh my god. That was amazing. That was legitimately incredible. That was terrifying at the same time as well. It's just turning around at the top of the runway now. That was awesome. You have to come here, guys. We grabbed some more drinks and enjoyed the weather and the plane spotting from the Sunset Beach Bar.
Yes, we're going to head down to Philipsburg now, which is the capital of the Dutch side of St Maarten. We're going to do a little bit of shopping, have a look around the shops, and then we think we are either going to walk back or maybe get the water taxi back to the ship.
Come on, let's do it.
Let's go.
I see a light in your eyes. I follow you so damn foolishly.
After just a 30-minute taxi drive with traffic, we headed back to Philipsburg, the capital of the Dutch side of the island. Philipsburg's famous for its shopping, bars, restaurant and of course, more beautiful beaches.
Hi guys, so we're back in Philipsburg now. We're just going to do a bit of shopping. There's loads of shops here, they're really awesome. I just need some camera supplies, but there's everything. There's McDonald's and Planet whatever and loads of different shake places and bars on the front. We're just in a bar now at the front next to this beautiful beach, and you can see the ship in the background there as well, which is really awesome. I don't know where, it's so bright I can't even see it guys, but yeah, it's there somewhere. But yeah, we've had such a fantastic day here in St Maarten. Knackered now though, I'm looking forward to the sea days ahead. Some nice relaxation coming up and enjoying some of the ship facilities. Oscar certainly enjoyed this shopping trip. Oscar, what have you got? So show me it.
And it was time to board our little boat to take us to the big boat. I mean ship. We had some more beers and a little dancing. Everyone was in a great mood.
We're not a part of this world. I'd call you Venus, 'cause that's how I feel.
Ice cream.
I got the ice cream.
Is it amazing?
Nice.
What flavour?
Chocolate.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, we're just at the port and we decided to spend our last few dollars on a guava berry colada, which is the rum of St Maarten. Let's try it.
It's unusual, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really odd. It's actually kind of refreshing. I don't know, it's not very sweet, which is what I like about it. It's quite sour. Oh well. It was $14, so we're drinking it. So we arrived at the port about 45 minutes ago, and so far we've gone about 3 steps because we're stopping at every bar along the way. We tried the guava berry, which is the local drink, and now we're going to get a local beer as well. We've got dollars, guys. We need to get rid of these dollars before we head over to
Bar crawl.
Southampton.
Guys, I'm hashtag wasted. This was unexpected, so we ended up going on a bar crawl around the entrance area of the port.
Even though we're 2 minutes away for free drinks.
Like literally the ship's there. The ship's there. And we've got free drinks. Yet we're spending money here. It's amazing. I'm wasted. It's awesome. This is what the Caribbean is all about. It's amazing. Guys, so the last bar before getting back on the ship is the Royal Caribbean Water Station. Let's do it. You ready for 9 days at sea, David? You look prepared.
I'm ready.
He's ready.
I've been training for this my whole life.
8 days at sea.
8 days at sea.
Let's do this. So guys, this is it. Last time on land. Woohoo! Let's go. Whoa, on the ship now. That's it. Guys, that's it.
Oh my god.
That's it, guys.
That's it.
Hi guys, we've had a fabulous day. Really good guys. Can't wait to get back on board and enjoy the rest of the ship. We'll see you soon.
That's it, guys. See you later. It was soon time to leave our final port for the long journey ahead. It really was a bittersweet moment. So guys, that was the last sail away of this cruise. Weirdly, we still got 9 nights left on this cruise. All sea days, which is really cool. But yeah, so it's the white party tonight, so I'm wearing all white. I'm ready to go. David's just getting ready now. Then we're going to head out for some food, some drinks, and then the white party up on deck at 9:30 tonight. Excited.
Windjammers. So we're off to the Windjammer for dinner tonight. We got in quite late from St Maarten, so we kind of just had showers, and then we're going to head up to the buffet.
We're back at the buffet for dinner. Each night there's a different theme, and tonight's theme was Mexican night, and it did not disappoint. Olé!
Oh my gosh, the selection is absolutely incredible. There is so much on offer. The Mexican counter, it's Mexican night, looks insane, but the rest of the buffet as well looks literally amazing. Can't believe how good it looks, can you?
It looks incredible.
How good is it?
I've got 2 plates ready to go.
Like Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse.
It's awesome. So yeah, let's go eat. We're gonna go and pick out our food now. Let's go!
So I got an international selection.
Oh, that's
This quarter is Mexican. This is all salad stuff, and this is Chinese.
Oh, lovely.
your bag.
The buffet is so good. Honestly, I've been really blown
It's
away.
amazing, isn't it?
Your bag.
Compared to like last time, the buffet's improved a lot. Really impressed with it.
Did you get a crepe, a pancake?
Yeah.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a shame
Oh,
about
good.
that. I love the taste so much.
Oh, it looks yummy.
Looks amazing.
Oh, bigger than your head.
A rabbit.
A rabbit? How cool is that? Oh, guys, these are super cool. So you come back to your room on a night, you get the cruise compass for the following day, which tells you all the activities and all the times of things that are going on, and you get a lovely little tower animal. And in this case, it's a rabbit that Oscar's just decapitated, but that's fine.
We could lie. We could say that we did go out and party until 1 AM.
No.
We're tired. We are so
We're knackered.
tired.
We've had such a long day in port today that we just want to go watch a movie and chill out.
Yeah, we had such a wonderful day in St Maarten. It's still my favourite island. We did loads and loads, so we were absolutely exhausted. So we're gonna go and grab some Sprites from downstairs and a couple of cookies, and then watch TV.
A movie and go to bed. So we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Bye.
If you liked this video and you want to see more of them, please support us on Patreon, and in return you get lots of rewards.
Join us next time as we start our journey across the pond. We explore the ship, eat more tasty food, and enjoy all the entertainment Independence of the Sea has to offer. That's it until next time. Happy cruising!